Hi, it's Kirsten from WTI. Welcome to my kitchen. There's nothing I love more in the morning than my first cup of freshly ground coffee. And thanks to this amazing coffee grinder from Kaffe, I'm able to enjoy that cup of coffee faster than ever. Let me show you some features that make this an outstanding coffee grinder. I tend to like kitchen gadgets that are very easy to use, and this is no exception. So you simply fill the coffee grinder with the desired amount of beans. I usually do about half to 3/4 full, and then you put on the nice plastic lid to keep everything nice and clean, and then you just simply match up the top to the base and push down. So for a French press grind, for me the perfect consistency is 15 seconds. As you can see, it's the perfect grind, and then the greatest part about this little grinder is that the base comes right off super easy, and then you can just simply pour the grinds into the French press maker, and there you go. I usually just estimate the amount of coffee grinds I need, but look how perfect that coffee looks. And any leftover grinds I don't need, I can simply store in my coffee canister. It's very easy to clean. I usually hand wash the lid, and it comes with this little brush, which is really handy for removing coffee grinds that are around the blade. I love the compact size of this coffee grinder. It fits in the palm of my hand, so it takes up no space at all on my countertops or when I store it in my drawers, but it's so powerful for such a small machine. I think it does such a great job in grinding my coffee beans. It also grinds nuts and spices. It's so versatile, so you definitely won't regret this purchase. I highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.